Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Guitar Guitar, LANY. I love LANY. He has always interesting and great songs, and this is one of them. Last Forever. Very cool song, easy to play, and I love that dark red Lexus car in that music video. Check that one out. Anyway, let's go into this tutorial. We have a capo set on the first fret, and with that we have 4 chords, easy chords rolling through the entire song. Let's go through them first. We're gonna start with G. So we have 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E played in this first chord, G. Next is B minor, a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the 2nd fret, you push down 5 strings there if you count from bottom up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the 2nd chord. The 3rd chord is F, again a bar chord, but it's very easy actually because the grip is pretty much the same as the B minor, you just have it in a different position. Over at this 1st fret with the index finger, you push down that with a bar, all strings, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. So you see the difference there is very minimal. It's pretty much the same as B minor, but at this position, that's the F. Now, the final chord C is played like that. So it goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And there you have the chord progression. Now let's learn the strumming pattern. If you go back to the G chord, one round goes like this. And that is my way of playing it. So I'm gonna start with down, down, clap, down, up. So 2 downs first, and clap, down, up. That's the first half of it, and it continues with up, down, clap, down. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. And that is 1 round. And that's the only round you're going to play for all of these chords. G1, B minor 1, F1, C1, just roll that, and it sounds like this. That's it, guys. A couple of minutes and you'll learn the song from LANY called Last Forever. Cool song. 4 easy chords, capo on. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.